In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Pagefly page to your Shopify store, and we'll do this in just around 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Shopify's website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, ensure that you've got Pagefly installed in your Shopify account. If you haven't done this yet, no worries. Head over to the Shopify App Store, search for Pagefly, and click the Add App button to get it installed. Now that Pagefly is successfully installed, you should automatically be directed to the Pagefly dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it allows you to create and customize different pages for your Shopify store easily. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the section labeled Pages. This is where you will begin creating your new page. Click on the option to create a new page, and then you'll be faced with a choice. You can either start from scratch with a blank template or choose from one of Pagefly's pre-designed templates. Both options have their perks. Starting from a blank template gives you full creative control, while a pre-designed template can save time and give you a professional look with minimal effort. With your template choice out of the way, you can begin using the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to add content, elements, and new sections to your page. You can do this by dragging elements from the left-hand menu and simply dropping them into place on your page layout. It's designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, even for those who might not be tech-savvy. Everything you need is organized neatly in the menu, from images and text fields to buttons and other elements. Now, let's talk about editing and customizing. Once you've placed your elements on the page, you can fine-tune their appearance to match your brand's aesthetic. Click on each element to edit details such as text, colors, and images. You can adjust the size, change text fonts, or modify image borders until you're satisfied with the overall look. This step is crucial for ensuring your page aligns well with your branding and appeals to your audience. When you're happy with everything, remember to click Save to make sure all your hard work is not lost. With your page design saved, the final step is to make it live. Go to the Pagefly menu and click on the Publish option. This will push your newly created page to your Shopify store, making it visible to your customers. And with that, you've successfully added a Pagefly page to your Shopify store, ready to impress your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.